Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today we're going to do the Bak Flip MX4 on a Chevy Silverado. Come over here. Now this Silverado is an LTZ, and I tell you, this thing has all the bells and whistles. It's beautiful inside, great looking truck, and the customer really wanted a good looking cover to go with this truck. So before I even go into opening it up, take a very good look on how nice this cover works with the bed caps. This looks like it should have came from the factory together. It's such a perfect match for this truck. I like how flush it is. I like the texture finish. I like how everything matches very nicely. Now this is the latest MX4, and they made some small changes on the outside. They added these little corners to it. These are new. So this is the latest version of the Bak Flip. What I like about MX4s and the Bak Industries, they're constantly improving their product. And not like my display is actually slightly different than this one, because mine's been on the showroom floor for a few years. They're constantly redesigning this. So come over on here, and we'll go ahead and show you it real quick. There you go. It does work with, as you can see, it has automatic tailgate. Now, just like a lot of the other covers, this has a left and right. Now, you can stand on the driver's side, you can stand on the passenger side, you can open this. It also has the triple seal there, which is very nice. The triple seal does a better job of keeping the water from getting inside the bed here. Also, you can fold it over and you can sit on this, which is very nice, and I like that. If you look over here, let me open this one more time. You can see it does have a drainage system. The better covers come with this. A lot of the two-fold covers do not come with this. So if any water gets past the seal, instead of catching it here, it goes into the bed. Bak Flip, you don't have that issue. Now we're going to fold it all the way up here, and we're going to show you some really cool things. Now, one thing, if you notice here, this has a third fold. Having that third fold gives you better access to the bed. And if you look up there, he has the top of the line camera system. If you notice, this cover does not cover that camera, which is very important. So if he wants to use all his bells and whistles I was talking to you in the beginning, you can do that. Now, this guest also decided to go with the Bak Box 2. This is the toolbox that works with the Bak Industries covers. Now it works with the MX4, which is this model here, works with the X2 and the X4. So it works with pretty much the folding covers, it works with the rolling covers. And it's a great toolbox. And as you can see, it works very nicely. You have a little tray here. Now I'm gonna hop in the bed here, and I'm gonna kind of show you a little bit how it works. Now if you notice, I'm still able to grab this hole here. This cover does not cover the stake pocket hole, which is very nice. So I'm going to show you some of the cool things about this toolbox. Now, most toolboxes, if you have to move them, you have to take them completely apart, and it takes a while, and then you have to remove it out of the vehicle. Well, Bak Industries made a toolbox that you don't have to do that. If you look very closely, this goes up, folds in here. Guess what? You have that access. You do not have to remove the toolbox. Folds back in here, and you have that extra space. So if you want to put that all-terrain vehicle, that motorcycle, anything big, you don't have to move the toolbox. And of course, look how easy it goes right back in place here. Is that a great setup or what? And of course, you get the little tray here, which you can slide anywhere around the toolbox here. It matches everything. It looks good together. Go ahead and close that up. Now I'm going to jump out here. And again, as you can see, I can use all the features the Chevy offers. Now you can also drive with this partially open. Basically come around here, just take this locks in there. You don't have to worry about the wind catching, because it does have a lock-in system. The previous models did not have this, so this is another feature they did on this I like a lot. So we'll go ahead and, when you're not in use, you lock it in there. And of course, use it as a handle if you like as well. The most important thing, very easy to use. I think it's a great product. They do a great warranty. They give you a 5-year manufacturer warranty. It used to be 3. Actually, it used to be 1. They went to 3. Now they're going to 5. Every time they redesign this cover gets better. And I love this. This is the pinnacle of their designs. I like it a lot. They put a great warranty in. Of course, if you have us install it, you're going to have 1-year warranty on all the labor, which is very nice. And of course, if you want to buy this cover, you can buy this from us. You can come to our showroom. You can buy it online. Give us a phone call. We ship it anywhere in the country for you. And of course, we like to do different trucks with different covers. Main reason, if you have a Chevy Silverado and you say, you know what, I want to see what that Bak Flip looks like on my truck, now you can. And of course, this one having the Bak Box 2 is a great video. Again, if you like our video, hit the like button, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost you a thing. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We are a small business in Florida. We're not a gigantic business. We need everyone's help to get to 1,000 subscribers. So please give us a hand there. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Thank you.